If your soil lacks nutrients, one way to improve its quality is by using natural, organic methods to enrich it. Instead of relying on chemical fertilizers, you can turn to simple practices that work with nature to boost soil fertility. These materials gradually break down, releasing essential nutrients into the soil while also improving its texture, moisture retention, and ability to support beneficial microbes. Burying fish heads in garden beds is one such natural technique. This method has been used for centuries to enrich the soil, making it more fertile and promoting healthy plant growth. To get started, you'll first need some fish heads. You can ask your local fishmonger for discarded fish heads, or use the heads from fish you've prepared at home. Once you have your fish heads, choose the spots where you'd like to bury them. This can be done for individual plants or across a larger garden bed, depending on your needs. It's best to use this technique before planting new crops, as it allows the nutrients to be absorbed by the soil and become available to the roots of young plants. To bury the fish heads, dig a hole or trench in the chosen spot. Place the fish head at the bottom of the hole or trench. It's fine to use multiple fish heads if you're working with a larger area. Just space them out evenly. After placing the fish head in the hole, cover it up with soil. You want to make sure there is a good amount of soil covering it so that it remains well buried. Next, add a thick layer of decomposed manure or compost on top of the covered area. This step helps boost the nutrient content even more and improves the soil structure. The decomposed manure or compost acts as a natural mulch, helping to keep moisture in the soil and providing a steady release of additional nutrients over time. It also encourages the growth of beneficial soil microbes that break down organic matter and help convert it into forms that plants can use. As the fish head decomposes, it will release its nutrients into the surrounding soil, feeding your plants naturally. This process can take a few weeks to a few months, depending on soil conditions and temperature. Warmer weather will speed up decomposition, while colder weather may slow it down. For best results, plant your crops after a few weeks have passed, allowing some of the nutrients to integrate into the soil. If you've already planted, don't worry. The roots will still reach the nutrients as the fish breaks down. Burying fish heads is a simple, effective way to enrich your garden soil without resorting to chemical fertilizers. It recycles organic waste, makes your soil healthier, and helps your plants grow strong and productive. With just a few steps, you can transform your garden into a more nutrient-rich environment that supports vibrant, thriving plants. If you enjoyed learning about this, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with fellow gardeners. There are many more tutorials, tips, and natural fertilizers waiting for you on our channel, so stay tuned.